yourself, standing in your own.
Hey you guys, so this wig is Zury Sis Hollywood SIRI silk base lace front wig, and OMG, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I have it in the color Sombre RT 2730, and this wig review is brought to you by glamourtrust.com, so be sure to check down below for all their information. That is a 4x4 silk base closure that I'm showing you guys, and it has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. This is how the hairline looks, and it's fairly decent, you know, for my chicks out there who rock their wigs like that. But I'm just going to go in and attempt a middle part. I never get it directly in the middle, right? Anywho, I'm finger combing this wig just to see how I like it in the middle part. And oh my goodness, the middle part on this wig is bomb. The versatility of this wig is everything. The cap construction is big head friendly. The texture is a very light yaki texture. It's more on the silky side. It's just some bombness. And I didn't get a lot of shedding, which I was surprised about. And so far, I didn't get a lot of tangling either. The density on this wig is very full, but it's not too full. It's perfect. This wig is perfect to me, y'all. I love it. So now I'm going in and showing you guys how this wig looks in a side part. And you guys know I'm like the side part queen. The luster on this wig is very realistic looking. So I'm just showing you guys how this wig is angled. And I'm 5'2½", and it falls about 18 to 20 inches on me. So you guys seen how easy this wig was to style, and y'all can clearly see how bomb this wig is. So I definitely suggest this wig. It's so versatile, and I'm freaking in love. Everything about this wig I'm loving. The only one kind that I could have did without is the light blonde piece, as you guys can see right here, and I don't get it. The color of this wig is Sombre RT 2730, and I see the 27 and I see the 30, but this looks like a 613 color in the back. So that's the only thing that I'm not feeling, but I am feeling everything else about this wig. And even though I'm not a fan of that streak of blonde, I still love this wig, and I definitely recommend this color. I recommend any color that you see this wig in for you to get it, because this wig is bomb. If you guys remember Zury Sis, I love that wig. It looks so good in every color. This is another one. It's like Ari's big sister in my opinion, and she's so popping. So with all that being said, I will leave Glamour Trust's information down below, because you guys need to cop this wig. If you're looking for a bomb date night wig or a Valentine's Day slay, boo, here you go. Bomb. You will not be disappointed with this wig, whether you like your parts in the middle, to the side, whatever. You're gonna love this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.